Okay, so right now it kind of looks like it's gonna flood. This is what it looks like down here, and over here, over here, over here, over here, over here. Um, right now look at that. It's absolutely gonna be soaked, and you can't really see out there. But right now, before it was like really bad. Look at that. Yeah, it's probably gonna flood. So yeah, it's fine. So this is really bad because Australia hasn't had this bad of a flood since like forever. And I mean, it's good for the farmers if it goes where it needs to go, but like it's really rainy, and I don't like. It probably will catch up to us, but this area it will probably go up to like where my foot is, but probably not because it'll. Actually, no. That the front yard will probably go like up to, uh, like that little, uh, that little pedestal over there. That little pedestal over there. But this area will probably like flood a lot. It'll probably all go down there because it's made for that. But I haven't seen this bad of rain in like a long time. Also, this is what I'm doing right now. I know I'm gonna release 2 videos in one day because I feel like maybe doing it. Also, just now, look at that. Just look at that for like about 10 seconds. I know, right? It's weird. Um, so this is like a video of just the weather. I know you can watch it on TV, but it's pretty laggy. I have a gun. Be back in like 5 seconds. Move chair. Just look down here. Look over there. I haven't seen that bad rain in like a while. And out there as well. It's pretty bad. And then coming from over there, riding around and all down here, going across here. We're probably gonna get all across the yard.